Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. So today we're doing another cat. This time we are doing the vampire cat. This one has been requested to look like our cat, Mr. Cat. Spelled with a K, named after my sister from another Mr. Cat. You know, the one cat scrappiness. Anyway, yes, so she has requested a black cat, so this is going to be a pretty easy one. I'm thinking I'm going to put something in the eyes and possibly on the little white teeth. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, this is just going to be black. It's going to be a black cat. So, because he's all black. Hopefully editing Megan has already put a picture up there for you. So, yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Super simple and easy, just like the last one. We're going to do this in a 2-layer pour because it's a deep mold, and I don't want it to superheat. So, get our resin warmed up and mixed up and poured. And yeah, hopefully it turns out cute. Wish me luck. All right, friends, cat number 2. Are we ready to see how